Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use OneDrive for Business Shared Library. So first is we have to sign up for an account, and do not worry because OneDrive for Business has a free trial. Okay, so you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to open a new tab and then search for OneDrive Business or OneDrive for Business. Okay, and then you'd be able to see here multiple results. So you just have to select this website. Okay, so just select this one, and then next you just have to search for OneDrive for Business. So we have this one right here, and then after creating or signing up for an account, you just have to go here now on the OneDrive section. Okay, so this is our homepage. That's right, and then when we go to the OneDrive section, okay, so we have this one. Okay, so you have the OneDrive option right here, and be able to see here now the different files that you have on your OneDrive. Now when you go to the shared section, as you can see, currently I don't have anything on my library because I just created this account, and then this account is for personal use. So if you have a folder shared with you, you'd be able to see here on your library. Now if you would like to share that folder to your teammates or your business partner, so you just have to click on the share options, for example this one. And then the next thing you should do here is to add a name, a group, or the email of the people that you want to have a business with, or the person that you want to share this folder with. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to type out this email, and then you just have to add here your message. Okay, so I am sharing this folder with you. Or if you want to leave an instruction for your business partner, so you can also type out that as well on the message section. Then you can copy the link, and then you just have to click on the send option. Now for the privacy section, just click on the gear icon or the settings, and then you just have to choose the people that you want to share this business folder with. So I'm just going to choose people you choose. And then for the more settings, for their access, you can customize the access right here, so we can edit, can view only, and cannot change the or cannot customize the folder. And then if you would like to set an expiration date, so just go in this section. Then after that, just click on apply. Okay, so click on apply after that, and then click on the send option. That's right. And then now you have sent invitation to your team. So basically, OneDrive for Business offers many benefits for companies looking to improve storage, collaboration, and security. It allows the employees to access their files from anywhere, making remote work and teamwork more efficient. So with the real-time collaboration, multiple users can edit or customize the documents simultaneously, reducing delays and improving productivity. So automatic backups and version history ensure that important files are never lost and can be restored if needed. So OneDrive also provides strong security features like encryption, access control, and compliance tools to protect sensitive data. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 applications, making it easier to manage files and workflows. So overall, OneDrive for Business helps businesses stay organized, secure, and efficient. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.